Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new, don't forget to tap on that like button, subscribe button, and क्या होता है? And just like, share, and subscribe. And yes, ask some questions on my Instagram, and I think most of the people just shut. So I asked so many questions from you guys on Instagram, and I have like a pretty decent followers. Pretty decent is like not that much, but yeah, it's I get 30 likes now. I just think like if there's a 30 people in room talking to me, it's like a very big thing for me. So I shifted those questions to my laptop, and now I'm going to. This is like a very most asked question from me, like I'm single or I'm committed. So the answer is I'm committed. I know it's very shocking to you guys. I'm committed to my goals. I'm committed to me. I'm committed to improving myself. So that's gossiping with any guy. I'm not, because I think I'll just go for like not dating thing. I'll just talk to that person. If I'll date anyone, I'll just talk to them for few months and then I'll just head back to marriage, because if these kind of the energy is very draining, at the same time it's not me. The next question is, why are you so cute? I'm not cute. I'm not. I listen this a lot. I'm not kidding. That I'm cute, but I don't find myself cute. I don't find myself, but yeah, I find myself like pretty. I can consider that compliment. Not kissing myself, so cute लगती हूँ. No. Question is, can you share any growth hacks on tips in Instagram? Babe, I'm still struggling. Instagram growth hack is just be consistent, put original content, and I'm still trying to figure it out, and just put reels, because reels are very trending right now. I'm just done with my so if you're someone who is like जो failures को understand कर लेते हैं positive manner में, they grow in a better way, what I feel. And जो failure को as a failure लेते हैं, they can't grow. So feel when people say anything bad or hate comments. I don't care about hate comments. Who wants to know about this, just ignore that, because nobody is you. Nobody knows you. So I'll just say, just ignore. He's not giving you that energy, just block them. They are not worthy enough. And for me, cringe is something cheesy, and I don't allow myself to turn into cringe. And yes, I don't give that. I just don't take. And honestly, to be very honest, I hardly get any hate comments. I never got. So I can't judge over this, but there is an option. Sometimes in a very like once in a blue moon, I got like not even like abusive language, but yeah, something which is weird to me, and I just blocked them. That's very easy. Firstly, honestly, I just got like, it's not like somebody not proposed me. I got like at one time it was like 6 to 7 years. I'm not kidding. And in these few months I said no many times, because I wanted to choose me. I don't want to be in relationship right now. I want to focus on me. I don't want to focus on anyone. If I'm not getting the energy, and I just back off. I personally think that's not like worth wasting your time and energy on someone who is not worthy and who is not giving you back. And for me, like in love, consistency matters. And if I'm not getting, I just back off. I back off myself. I don't give chance to another person to hurt me. So मैं पहले ही दूर हो जाती हूँ. And ask me where I live. I was living in Mumbai. Because of COVID, I shifted to Bikaner, which is my hometown, and I don't go out. I know very limited number of people here, and I'm very introvert. I became introvert because of lockdown, and I don't feel like need of other people now. I just enjoy my company. So yeah, And what's my age? My age currently is 24 and I'm going to be 25 soon. What's your birthday? It is like 5 June. I'm Gemini. I'm soon going to be 25 and I don't want to grow up. I personally don't want to grow up because I think that's like other like 2 days से मेरा mood बहुत ज़्यादा off है because I don't know. I hope I'll feel better after recording and editing and uploading this video, and